Hello everyone, welcome to day 19 on our CapCut editing tutorial. And today, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to teach us how to add a voiceover in CapCut to our video, okay? So that will be easy for us. Maybe you are not like me. Before I'm like you, and then maybe after you'll be like me. Like me, before I am shy, I cannot face camera, and then I use my voice alone. And how do I use my voice alone? I will just have my video ready. I'm not talking about this Grow with Ganny. I'm talking about Learn Code with Ganny. That was how I started that channel, because I cannot face camera. So I will put everything I want to use, I'll put them together. Then I will now put my voice on it, simply because I am a camera child that time. I'm not confident enough to face video. So if you are that person that is not confident enough to face video, you are camera child, you don't want to public to see your face, you want to do a faceless channel as well, this is going to be a help to you as well. You use your voice alone. You write whatever you want to write down, you have it with you, then you use it on top of your video. So that is what I want to show us, how to do it in CapCut, to record your own voice over your own video. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So I'm going to continue using the same video, but I'm going to record my voice on it instead of the one we did before. So I'm going to go back to my project, to my normal project. Okay, this is the project. So this is the project that we have been using, I think, since 3-4 videos now. Okay, using it to do an experiment instead of recording new videos to use it. So in this case now, I want to record my voice on over it. Okay, so how do I record my voice? That is what I want to do on it now. So what we are going to do first is that you click on this, you see, audio. When you click on this audio, you tap on audio and you scroll, you can see record. Okay, it is easy. It's just easy, duper easy. Okay, so I'm going to tap on it. So I'm going to click on, so I'm now going to click on that record now. So I'm going to record what I want to say on this record, simply because I cannot say it, and then I can record my voice on it. I cannot face camera. I'm pretending as if I cannot face camera. So I will tap on this record here. Tap record. You see it open up again, and then you tap on this blue, this middle green, big middle here. Wait it for you to count down. So once it's moving like that, let me now record what I want to record. Once it count down, don't start your recording immediately. Pause, allow it a little bit, not too long like this, but allow it a little bit to give a space. Okay, then you will now start. Hello creators, or hello YouTubers, or hello my followers, or hello anyone. My name is Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. I am here to help you to grow your YouTube channel and mastering the tools like OBS, CapCut, Keynote, Prism Live, and also share my success, my journey with you guys, my different milestones that I'm achieving, and also to share it with you. Whether you are just starting out or looking for ways to take your content to the next level in your editing or in your recording, or want to be more comfortable in doing live streaming, then my channel has the tips and tutorial and strategies that can help you to succeed. Also, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell, and let's crush your content creation goals together. See you in my next video. So once you have recorded it finished, you click on this button here, stop. So you can see that my video is too long, so I will split it and delete the part that I don't want. So you see that I have all this that I've recorded in this video. So let's listen to it, whether we hear everything that I said, whether it is real or not. So let's listen to it now. Once it count down, don't start your recording immediately. Pause, allow it a little bit, not too long like this, but allow it a little bit to give a space. Okay, then you will now start. Hello creators, or hello YouTubers, or hello my followers, or hello anyone. My name is Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny. I am here to help you to grow your YouTube channel and mastering the tools like OBS, CapCut, Keynote, Prism Live, and also share my success, my journey with you guys, my different milestones that I'm achieving, and also to share it with you. Whether you are just starting out or looking for ways to take your content to the next level in your editing or your recording, or want to be more comfortable in doing live streaming, then my channel has the tips and tutorial and strategies that can help you to succeed. Also, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell, and let's crush your content creation goals together. See you in my next video. So what you can see, you stop it and then you delete the one that you don't need. All this one that we don't need, you will delete it. Okay, you stop it and then you see that when I'm doing it, I'm making some mistakes. So you have to, I've taught you already how to cut and trim any mistakes that you have in your video. So what you will do is you will re-listen to that video, that same video, okay, that you are editing. Okay, you will listen to it, then you will now use it, as you now post it. You can use it on your any social media platform, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere that you want to post it. Then you import it and you send it there. You import it here after you have done all the editing part finish. Then you import it and you send it there. So you can see how simple it is to put a voiceover on your video anyhow you want to do it. And we have come to the end of how to add voiceover in CapCut to your video. Just export it and enjoy the benefit of it. And as what I said in that video, it is truly, that is what I'm doing on this channel. So if that is the reason why you want to follow this channel, those are the benefits that you have to enjoy on this channel for free of charge. As you know, this channel has not even been monetized, so you can continue enjoying it until the channel will now be monetized. Okay, so don't forget to share with your families and friends, people that you know that they really wants to grow, they want to start content creation and they did not know where to start from. This is where they can start from, and then I am here to help. And if you still need one-on-one coaching, I still do it as well. So just reach out to me via my Instagram handle, then I will definitely attend to you. And then without wasting much of our time, I will say thank you for watching and I will see you in day 20. Bye.